Good morning, guys. Day 47. First time driving somewhere in Vegas. So yeah,
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Part 800.
Part 857. We are driving to the Bellagio to meet Amber from Vancouver for brunch.
Yep. Spago.
Anyways, it's pretty cool to be driving in our own car on the strip.
Yeah.
Pretty exciting. It's hot. And then we have to head downtown and pick up our punk rock bowling packets.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light.
How's it feel driving on the strip for the first time?
It's alright. It's probably more of a pain in the ass and annoying at nighttime, I would say.
Probably.
It's cool that we're driving our own car, yes.
Yeah. On a racetrack.
On a racetrack.
As you pointed out. F1 track.
We're finally driving.
The morning light falls. Come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light. The morning light, oh. I just wanna be your Superman. Come fly with me, just take my hand. And now that we are cruising in mid-flight, you better watch out for the kryptonite. So come on over, we can make it through, make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do, just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, we're dancing. We stay up until the morning light, the morning light falls. Come on over, we can make it through, make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do, what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light, oh. As we look up at the stars in the sky, did we ever stop and wondered why we let our love shine all through the night? Just you and me, babe, until the morning light, the morning light. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do, just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, keep dancing. We stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Baby, you're out of sight. On the beat, keep dancing through
Okay, so we just got done brunch with Amber from Vancouver.
She's cool.
Super cool. It was nice to meet her.
Yeah, finally.
Yeah, it was awesome. We got to talk food. We went to Spago. It was really good. And now we are headed to downtown Grand to pick up our wristbands and packets and everything and our swag for punk rock bowling.
And then back for a nap.
And back for a nap. And then fun stuff tonight.
Fun stuff.
that's the truth, my dear.
You're looking pretty fantastic. Years pass by with our goals intact. In tandem we're dancing till the nighttime lapse. We're in the daytime stranded. Your self-esteem tastes candid, but damn, it's hard to make a man with empty hands feel hands full of love. Like, damn, this a glove. Feel like the wintertime sun till our hands move backwards. Don't make a sound, it's so fragile. Walk that we treadin' too casual. No, I've had it good since I've had you. No, I'm scared as fuck, this is sad too. But this embrace feel natural. I wanna stay till pasture. even if it means I gotta face the music and hear the sound of being happy.
Here we are. Every speck of weather is impeccable when you are near. And that's the truth, my dear. But words out of highest mouth. Our love never quiets down. Been itching to turn up the dial, but I'm scared to hear the sound. I'm scared to hear the sound. I'm scared to hear. Here we are. Every speck of weather is impeccable when you are near. And that's the truth, my dear.
Hey guys,
Alright.
outro here.
I don't even know what day it is anymore.
Today was about 3 weeks long.
I swear we saw Amber from Vancouver like 10 years ago today.
We lived many lives today.
Which is cool. Amber from Vancouver is cool.
Super cool to meet her.
Yeah.
I feel like we've been chatting with her for years. Yeah, so we started the day with brunch with Amber from Vancouver
Which was on thin ice.
at Bellagio, at Spago.
Holy shit, that was close to not happening. Not because of you, Amber, just because of us.
We Vegas too hard yesterday, okay?
One thing you'll know about us, we will thin ice.
Ask
everything.
Hamdi.
Yeah, ask Hamdi how he's doing today.
He and Simone are struggling also. And anyways, we figured we should outro. Yeah, we had Spago. It was good. We had salads to have some veggies.
And we blew there was some Freeplay.
Yeah, we played our Freeplay and actually won. We've never won on our Freeplay before, I don't think.
That was the
Usually
boring.
it just goes away.
That was the boring part of the video. That was like 3 minutes. That was like maybe 20 minutes ago in this video.
We won like $370
Yeah.
on Freeplay. This is downtown Grand after brunch to pick up our punk rock bowling stuff. We remembered to put our wristbands on the left wrist.
You know, that varies from person to person. It depends what.
Are you left-handed or right-handed?
Yeah. And you can figure out what that means.
It's so you don't stick your wristband in the toilet repeatedly, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Practicality, people, think about it. Anyways,
And then when we came back, you bought a purse.
I bought a purse.
That's cool.
Bought a purse I've been looking at for a while.
And
Well,
then
the purse I've been looking at for a while got discontinued.
well,
Because I hesitated too long. I wanted to wait till I passed my test.
We'll insert picture here.
Insert picture. So they didn't have the purse I wanted at Gucci. So I went to Saint Laurent. And Zoe was amazing. Shout out Zoe. She helped me find the bag I was looking for. And they didn't have it in the store. So the courier picked it up and brought it here within an hour. I DoorDashed a purse. And it's cute.
I then realized that sore how sunburnt my legs were.
Yeah. But it's pretty cool. I think it'll fit my vlogging stuff better when we're going out.
It matches the car.
Daytime, nighttime, matches the car. Anyways.
We napped. I napped.
Anthony napped. When I went downstairs to pick up my purse when it got here, I ran into Hamdi and Pickles. So they walked over there with me. And then Pickles and I got iced pistachio lattes. And they were really good. Highly recommend. The iced pistachio latte with oat milk from Chez Bonbon.
Get the important stuff here.
Oh yeah, then
Then we went to dinner.
we went to dinner with Flip and Tara
Of previous
vlogs.
But the important
Anthony's
thing
friend
here
since he was 8.
is that
His fiancé.
we went to James Tree's new restaurant, the chef
Yes.
of Esther's, Bar Boheme.
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 It's French.
It's if Esther's was French food. And if you've been to Esther's, you know that shit's good.
It's so good.
You can imagine how damn good the fucking French food is.
And
but that's not the important part here. The important part is that we saw the best chef ever at the restaurant that we were at. Insert picture here.
yay! We saw Chef Taylor Persh, our very favorite chef in the entire world, on the entire planet. Well, the James Tree is pretty amazing too. But we looked up from our table when we were waiting for Flip and Tara to come in, and there is Chef Taylor Persh, and she goes, "Hey guys," and we're like, "Oh my god, is it really you?"
It was.
We were so excited, so we chatted with her. I think she's got something new coming up. Check out her website.
Insert.
She's a genius.
Insert.
She's my culinary superhero. Love her.
Yeah, so
Shout out
that
Taylor
was
Persh.
cool.
Yeah, super cool to see her. I was like, oh my god, James Trees and Taylor Persh under one roof.
Like, what kind
It's
of,
like a dream come true.
what kind of unicorn is this?
It's amazing. And then we went to the Doberman.
Doberman Drawing Room.
Doberman Drawing Room, new bar in the Arts District. You cannot film in there.
You cannot.
You cannot take pictures in there. Similar to Delilah Rules. But it was cool. Really chill place to hang out. Kind of like right behind 18 Bin.
Yeah.
And we have a Doberman. As you guys know, he's very cute.
Insert picture here.
We miss him.
I
He's
mean,
playing with his best friends at daycare.
I think, like, honestly,
Anyways, we hung out there and then we got sleepy tired. We meant to go back to Petite Boheme, the bar that's attached to Bar Boheme, but we were sleepy tired and we have a long several days of punk rock bowling ahead of us. So we came back and went to here, Sleepy Town. We packed up our room.
and I also
moved
figured out,
tomorrow.
like, this May trip is the ultimate Gemini trip every year.
Because this guy's a Gemini.
Because we go fancy for 3 days, and then punk rock for 3 days.
Yes. So tomorrow we pack up and move to Circa. We'll miss Fountainbleau.
So that's how that's rolling.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you feel like
If you
it.
want.
No pressure.
You know, just don't be a dick, you know?
Right?
But
Anyways,
if you're gonna be a dick, be a dick. Right?
whatever. Anyways, we're headed to Sleepy Town. We'll see you in the morning. See you tomorrow. For some punk rock. Nights.